access the Froomle Portal, you'll first start by logging in with your individual credentials or using your Google account. You will then see 3 steps to set up the module recommendations: module configuration, recommendation demo, and insights. We will start with the recommendations demo, where we will set up the persona's parameters. Within the persona step, you can easily manipulate the behavior of your fictional user by adding or removing items to their browsing history. Once your personas are complete, you then move on to choosing one of Froomle's modules that are formulated and optimized for your specific business goal. Then, like magic, your recommendations will appear instantly. Being able to manipulate the reading history from within this screen will allow you to see updated recommendations with the click of a button. The portal also makes it simple to request and configure brand new modules onto your chosen channel within just a few clicks. Going hand in hand with this opportunity to experiment is making sure that every customer has access to the insights and data needed to make key business decisions. The Froomle dashboard has 4 key components: the overall performance and specific performance of the individual modules, top recommendations that are being made, audience insights, which focuses on the diversity and distribution of your articles, and an API monitoring dashboard. With everything updating in real time, your team can make fast decisions using your data. Ready to try the portal out for yourself? Book your demo with our team to get started today.